Hello and welcome to TNWS channel, and in this short video I will show you how you can enable and use your folder in Samsung Galaxy M12. So before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and start a video without wasting any time. So to use your folder, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every step as I'm showing you in this video.